Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to turn off auto-capitalization at the beginning of sentences in Microsoft Word. Let's go through this step by step. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, click on the File menu in the upper left corner of your screen. Next, select Options from the menu. This will open the Word Options dialog box. In the Word Options dialog box, select Proofing from the left-hand menu. Then click on the AutoCorrect Options button. This will open the AutoCorrect dialog box. Make sure you're on the AutoCorrect tab. Find and uncheck the option that says Capitalize First Letter of Sentences. Just click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Click OK to close the AutoCorrect dialog box, and click OK again to close the Word Options dialog box. And that's it. Auto-capitalization for the beginning of sentences is now turned off in Microsoft Word. You can test it by typing a sentence. The first letter will no longer be automatically capitalized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.